everyone, it's Brittany from Hubcaps.com, and today's video was made to give you gift ideas for women. And coming from a woman, I know exactly what we want. Look no further and give us a call today, or click on the link that I have provided at the bottom of this video. It will take you directly to our website where you will find the perfect gift. Hubcaps.com has our own restoration department here on site. I'm sure you've never thought to give the gift of hubcaps as a present, but I bet if you go check out your loved one's wheels, you'll notice that their hubcaps are a little beat up, if not missing. Over the years, they tend to take some wear and tear. Let's take a look at one of our factory original hubcaps. As you can see, this hubcap is in excellent condition. Imagine the look on your loved one's face as they open a fully restored set of factory original hubcaps. This will just complete the look of their vehicle. We also have fully restored wheel covers as well. So whether they have a newer car or that classic car, we have what you're looking for. Give us a call and let Hubcaps.com make you the best gift giver ever. You will not regret it. We have an online sales department waiting to assist you by answering your questions and helping you to securely place your order online. Our warehouse has a top-of-the-line restoration department, ensuring your hubcap comes out looking like brand new every time. Depending on where you live and what you have ordered and whether the item is ready to be shipped or not, it will usually take 4 to 5 business days after the order is placed, possibly even sooner.